Welcome to my channel Smart Upgrades. Today we are reviewing the Dell XPS 16 touchscreen laptop. If you're interested, the product link is located below in the description. Let us be entirely honest about the modern computing experience. We demand machines with enough processing power to simulate the birth of the universe, but we exclusively use them to leave 47 browser tabs open while we watch satisfying videos of power washing in 4K. Because we insist on bringing our digital baggage everywhere we go, we might as well do it on a screen large enough that we do not have to physically squint to read our own emails. I've been testing the Dell XPS 16 for the past few weeks, mostly because my previous laptop screen was so small I was starting to hunch over like a medieval scholar. In my experience, the holy grail of laptops is finding one that offers a massive display without feeling like you are carrying a decorative paving stone in your backpack. What stood out to me immediately upon opening this machine is the aggressively minimalist, futuristic design. It features a CNC machined aluminum chassis and a seamless glass palm rest with an invisible trackpad. It genuinely looks like a piece of alien technology that was dropped on Earth just to make your home office look incredibly premium. Here's where this product surprised me: the sheer efficiency of the 16-inch touchscreen display combined with the latest processor architecture. Having that extra vertical screen real estate is a monumental time saver when you are scrolling through endless documents, editing video timelines, or just aggressively pretending to work while online shopping. The touch functionality is highly responsive, turning you from a passive mouse clicker into an active screen tapper, which makes casual browsing on the couch exponentially more comfortable. The thermal management is also excellent. It handles heavy workloads without the internal fans imitating a commercial jet engine. Comparing this to its primary competitor, the 16-inch MacBook Pro, the Dell XPS gives you that elite, high-end aluminum aesthetic but keeps you firmly within the Windows ecosystem. This means you do not have to relearn how to manage your files, and you can actually run standard PC software without jumping through digital hoops. A potential drawback to mention is that in Dell's quest for absolute minimalism, traditional ports have been largely sacrificed to the tech gods. You are going to be living that dongle lifestyle, which is mildly annoying but standard for modern ultra-thin machines. Ultimately, if you are a creative professional, a remote worker, or just someone who wants an incredibly sleek, highly capable machine with a gorgeous expansive display, this is a phenomenal upgrade that offers exceptional durability and trustworthiness. If you're interested, the product link is located below in the description.